Hello everyone. This is your daily English speaking and listening practice. Let's start learning English step by step. Can I get coffee here?
Yes, you can order here.
What coffee do you recommend?
I recommend our house blend.
Is this your best coffee?
Yes, it is our best seller.
Do you have fresh coffee?
Yes, it was brewed recently.
Can I order coffee now?
Yes, please order anytime now.
What sizes are available today?
We offer small, medium, large.
Do you serve hot coffee?
Yes, we serve hot coffee.
Do you also have iced coffee?
Yes, iced coffee is available.
Which coffee is most popular?
Our latte is very popular.
Can you suggest a beginner coffee?
Try a simple vanilla latte.
What kinds of coffee do you have?
We have many coffee options.
Do you have espresso drinks today?
Yes, we serve espresso drinks.
Is the coffee freshly brewed today?
Yes, it is freshly brewed.
Can I see the coffee menu?
Sure, here is the menu.
Do you serve American coffee?
Yes, we serve Americano coffee.
Do you have strong coffee?
Yes, we have strong espresso.
Is your coffee locally roasted?
Yes, beans are locally roasted.
Do you offer decaf coffee?
Yes, decaf coffee is available.
What milk options do you have?
We offer dairy and plant milk.
Can I get coffee with oat milk?
Yes, oat milk is available.
Do you have cappuccino available?
Yes, cappuccino is available today.
Can I try a caramel latte?
Yes, caramel latte is delicious.
Do you serve vanilla latte here?
Yes, vanilla latte is popular.
Can I order a mocha today?
Sure, mocha is available today.
Do you have pumpkin spice latte?
Yes, pumpkin spice is seasonal.
Is the latte very sweet?
It is moderately sweet normally.
Can you make my coffee stronger?
Yes, we can add espresso.
Can you make it less sweet?
Yes, we can reduce sweetness.
Do you have sugar-free syrup?
Yes, sugar-free syrup available.
Can I add extra espresso shot?
Yes, extra shot costs extra.
Can I get almond milk instead?
Yes, almond milk is available.
Can you make it extra hot?
Sure, we can make extra hot.
Can you make it warm, please?
Yes, we will make warm.
Can I have light ice?
Sure, we will add light ice.
Can you add whipped cream?
Yes, whipped cream can added.
Can I skip whipped cream?
Sure, we will skip it.
Can I add caramel drizzle?
Yes, caramel drizzle is available.
Can I get chocolate syrup?
Yes, chocolate syrup is available.
Can you make it less milk?
Yes, we can reduce milk.
What sizes do you offer here?
We offer 3 sizes today.
Is medium size called grande?
Yes, medium size is grande.
Which size do you recommend?
Medium size is most balanced.
Is large coffee very big?
Yes, large is quite big.
Can I get a small coffee?
Sure, small coffee coming up.
Is small size enough caffeine?
Yes, small still has caffeine.
Which size is most popular?
Medium size is most popular.
Can I get coffee to go?
Yes, we offer takeout cups.
Can I drink coffee here?
Yes, you may sit inside.
Do you have seats available?
Yes, seats are available now.
Is there free Wi-Fi here?
Yes, free Wi-Fi is available.
Can I study here today?
Yes, studying here is welcome.
Do you allow laptops here?
Yes, laptops are allowed here.
Can I charge my phone here?
Yes, outlets are near tables.
Do you close late tonight?
Yes, we close late tonight.
What time do you close today?
We close at 9 tonight.
Is the cafe busy today?
No, it is quiet now.
Can I also order pastry?
Yes, pastries are available today.
Do you have fresh croissants?
Yes, croissants are freshly baked.
Do you have blueberry muffins?
Yes, blueberry muffins are available.
Can I get a donut too?
Yes, donuts are available today.
Do you have vegan snacks?
Yes, we offer vegan snacks.
Can I get bagel with cream?
Yes, bagels with cream cheese.
Do you toast bagels here?
Yes, we toast bagels here.
Do you have chocolate cookies?
Yes, chocolate cookies are available.
Are the pastries baked today?
Yes, pastries were baked today.
How much is small latte?
Small latte costs $4.
How much is medium coffee?
Medium coffee costs $3.
How much is large cappuccino?
Large cappuccino costs $5.
Is iced coffee more expensive?
Yes, iced coffee costs slightly more.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, we accept credit cards.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, cash is also accepted.
Do you accept mobile payments?
Yes, mobile payments are accepted.
Do you have loyalty program?
Yes, we have loyalty program.
Do I earn points today?
Yes, you earn points today.
Is there student discount today?
Sorry, no student discount today.
Can I get my receipt, please?
Sure, here is your receipt.
Can you spell my name?
Yes, please spell it slowly.
Should I wait over there?
Yes, please wait over there.
How long is the wait?
The wait is about 3 minutes.
Will you call my name?
Yes, we will call name.
Where do I pick coffee?
Please pick up right there.
Is my coffee ready yet?
It will be ready soon.
Did you call my name?
Not yet, please wait moment.
Can I grab napkins here?
Yes, napkins are beside counter.
Do you have sugar packets?
Yes, sugar packets are there.
Do you have stir sticks?
Yes, stir sticks are available.
Can I get extra napkins?
Sure, take extra napkins here.
Do you recycle cups here?
Yes, we recycle cups here.
Are these cups recyclable?
Yes, cups are recyclable today.
Can I bring my cup?
Yes, reusable cups are welcome.
Do you give cup discount?
Yes, we give small discount.
Is the coffee very hot?
Yes, please drink carefully today.
Can I get a sleeve?
Sure, here is cup sleeve.
Can I get extra lid?
Yes, here is extra lid.
Is this my order here?
Yes, that is your order.
Can you remake this coffee?
Yes, we will remake it.
This coffee tastes too sweet?
Sorry, we will fix sweetness.
Can you add more milk?
Yes, we can add milk.
Can you make it hotter?
Sure, we will heat again.
Can you make iced version?
Yes, iced version is possible.